Alright, well, here's your Google Drive, and honestly, there are so many things that you can do with this that there's no way a video can cover all of it. So if there's more specific things that you would like to see, let me know. But first of all, when you open up your Google Drive, you will be in My Drive, and in order to get this to be used for your classes and store all of your student work in an organized fashion, you'll want to create some new folders. And to create new folders, you create in a folder. Once you've created a new folder, you can decide if this folder is going to be something that you want to share with your entire class. When it is shared, you'll have a little person here. Or if it's something that you want to store from that class. So for all of my class periods, I have a shared folder where I will drop things that I want the whole class to be able to see. And then in the arrow here is how you can add new students to your class or set them up originally. You'll see all of my students I have added in here. And all you have to do to add a new student is type in their name. So I'll type in my daughter, Haley Brown. What you'll see is her name, and if it's a student, because we have multiple last names, you will see the last four of their student ID number, and theirs will always be followed by an @stu.neisd.net. Most of the time, I will make sure that the student can only view, especially if it's a shared document among the whole class, because if you leave them on Can Edit, then they can change your documents and rearrange things. So then you'll click Send, and then there will be an option to click Done. Okay. So when the kids turn in things, it will come to this folder here called Shared with Me. Just like I shared a document with a folder with all of my students, any document that a student completes will have an option in the upper right-hand corner that says Share. When they're ready to turn it in, all they have to do is click the blue button, and then they can share it with me. All they have to do is type in my name. I usually tell the kids to just type in hbrown1 before they share with me. I really can't show you this because I've attached rubrics to their work so that I can grade them without printing, and then the kids immediately see their grade on their Google document. Anything that I put on their document is viewable by them, and I can make comments and tell them how to correct things for me. Otherwise, I can't show it to you because of FERPA. It has their names on the papers. But I can also show you a shared document among teachers. When you do this, you can share lesson plans with each other, and each person that has access to the lesson plan could edit it. Of course, we have our morning announcements folder where you play everything from there. One other little trick is that in your Google Drive you have certain apps. This you can get to a calendar, and if you set up your phone inside of there, you can have it email you or text you when something's coming due. Every teacher has a YouTube channel, which is what I'm using now. And every teacher is assigned a Weebly, and this is where I make my web page, and this web page I think is a lot more user-friendly than the teacher web because it's all drag and drop type elements, and then you can make it a little prettier and that sort of thing. So I hope this helps with getting you started on Google Drive. If there's any more questions that you might have, just send me an email and I'll include it in a future video. Thanks.